Hello guys, my name is William Andres Cabrera Castro. I'm in the group 49 of English 6. So at this moment I'm going to show you where we can find the course agenda, the learning and evaluation environment, also where we find the forums, the internal email of the course, the group number, etc. So first of all, we need first open the UNET website. Then you can click on my virtual courses. After that, you can select or choose the subject that you are. In this case is English 6. Then you can click on the number next to the name of the subject, and you can open the main page of the subject English number 6. So first of all, we can find the agenda in the left part of the screen, but also we can find the same agenda in other part. For example, in this case, you can click on initial information, and you can see, for example, the course agenda again, the course presentation, the new forum, the general forum. Also, if you can click on the course agenda, you can see the agenda, the dates that, for example, the activity that we are, when the activity will close, how many days, the hour, and when we can start doing the next activity, and that's it. After that, you can come back to the main page and you can click on learning environment, and you can see obviously the syllabus, the units that we have with readings that we can obviously read to do the activities during the semester. We can see, for example, the activity number 1, that is the task 1, the discussion forum, and also the other activities that we have in this semester. Then you can click on evaluation environment, and in this part you can see again the task, but in this case, for example, if you can click in the same in the first task, you can see how many days you have to do the activity, when is the day that you have to send the activity to the teacher, and the other things that we have in this activity. If you come back to the main page and scroll down, you can see, for example, the participants, the competences, and if you click on the participants, you can see, first of all, your name and the other classmate that you have in this subject, and the tutor or teacher that you have in this case. Also, if you click on the teacher's name, you can see a little information about his life, his career, and also you can see a button that says send a message. If you click on it, you can obviously send a message to the teacher. Also, if you go to the right part, in the upper right corner, you will find an envelope, in this case next to your name. You can click on it and you will see that is the email of the course, and you can see the emails that you receive, and also you can send emails to the other teacher, to the classmate, etc. This is all for today. Thank you so much.